you're gonna find that with Superhairpieces, their hair lasts so much longer than the competitor. Hey guys, my name's Tyler, and I suffer from a receding hairline. And because of that, I started using Superhairpieces. I started using their men's frontal hair units. So I have a hairpiece from about here to here, and it's about 1 inch thick. And you would never know, it blends in beautifully with my natural hair. And it's real human hair, it's amazing quality. But I just want to give you a quick little idea of what to expect when you get the product. So the product's going to come in a box just like this. Your hair is going to come in a plastic bag and a hair net. But that unit is going to be attached to a little clear piece of plastic like this. Now, I ordered a men's unit with a medium wave, I believe is what it's called. So when you receive that, you're gonna get a hair unit, and it's gonna have this really super tight curl, right? You're gonna freak out and you're gonna say, this is not what I ordered, this is wrong. But they do give you a little piece of information not to freak out, basically is what they're saying. And once you get it though, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna brush out these curls, right? So you're just gonna wanna take a paddle brush like this with plastic bristles. And you're gonna wanna brush it in from the ends, right? It's gonna turn a little frizzy, and you're gonna still feel like, oh my God, what have I purchased? But I promise you, once you brush it out, once you wash this, and you let some conditioner set on it, that curl is going to relax, and that curl is going to start to become that medium wave that you want. Now, you're gonna also notice that this hair is way longer than pretty much any person would ever have. So for example, that, right? So there's so many inches that I had cut off of mine. And once that hair has been cut and styled, you're gonna also know that it's much more similar to a medium wave. Now, as you can see, this is the same, pretty much, as the same unit that I got, but this is the texture that you're gonna see once it's been cut, styled, and washed. So it's a beautiful, beautiful hairpiece. It looks incredibly natural. You're gonna find that with Superhairpieces, their hair lasts so much longer than the competitor. I have purchased items from competitors multiple times, and nothing compares to Superhairpieces. The hair stays in twice as long, the hair color lasts twice as long, and they also, something that I've found throughout the years buying hairpieces is that some hairpieces that are chemically treated to curl, they smell like corn chips. It's the strangest thing. But these units do not smell like corn chips. They smell like nothing. So you don't have to worry about walking around with your hair smelling like a Frito. But yeah, I do highly recommend purchasing a hair unit from Superhairpieces. You will not regret it.